This 2011 Coachmen Catalina Deluxe Edition 3.8 BHDS is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Willow Street, Pennsylvania, 17584 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, slide-out, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.